guys, my name is Allie, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a homemade deodorant. So all you'll need is 3 ingredients. You'll need baking soda, arrowroot, and coconut oil. So to start off, we're going to use a 1/4 cup measuring cup for each ingredient. We're going to start with the arrowroot. So you want to pour it into the measuring cup very carefully. Gosh. Now we're going to do the baking soda. Now, before you add in the coconut oil, you want to mix up the baking soda and arrowroot to evenly distribute it. Now, when you're doing this at home and you've been using it for a couple of days and you're starting to notice skin irritations, you may want to reduce the amount of baking soda. So now what we're going to do is add in the coconut oil. So next what we're going to do is we're going to mix up all the ingredients, and then you'll start to notice the deodorant consistency. As you can see, mine is very thick now, and you can't really see the powder anymore, which is what you want to see happening. Once you're all finished stirring up your mixture, you can put them in small airtight jars like this one and put them in the refrigerator to thicken up, or leave them out in room temperature. Little jars like these are really cute for friends and family gifts.
Hold on.
To apply, I usually keep a small wooden spoon on hand. All you have to do is take a small amount from your spoon, put it on your fingers, and apply to your underarm like so. And when you're applying, it feels silky smooth. And the best part about this deodorant is that it's safe for kids and aluminum free. Thanks for watching my easy homemade tutorial. Bye!